As we peer into the horizon of the next generation, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential challenges that may unfold. While progress is inevitable, let's consider some negative assumptions that could shape narrative for generations to come. As we contemplate this negative assumption, let us not succumb to despair but rather use them as a call to action. It is within our power to shape a future that counters these trajectories, fostering sustainability, ethical technological advancement, social justice, and collective commitment to mental well-being. The next generation destiny rests in our hands. Let us guide them toward our future that transcends this potential pitiful. We've gathered diverse viewpoints on the globalization and its potential impact on the next generation from various individuals. As we attentively listen to the both positive and negative perspective, we now have the insight to observe its unfolding effects in the years to come.
So today, nandito po tayo ngayon sa mini park at maghanap po tayo ng makakausap at tatanungin kung ano ang kanilang idea or thoughts about sa assumptions for the next generations. Let's go! Sel! May gamit! So ngayon, nandito na po tayo at meron tayong nakikita dito isang paper at tatanungin natin siya kung ano ang kanyang idea about sa positive assumptions for the next generation. So, hi ma'am, good morning ma'am. How's your day ma'am? Good. So, nandito po ako kayo ma'am kasi meron po akong tatanong sa iyo about sa positive assumptions for the next generation. So, my question for you ma'am is, what can you say about the world nowadays in terms of communications? What is your assumptions for the next generation? There meant something for you ma'am?
So yes, for me, because we all know that communication is very crucial to everyone. Then communication has opinionated and contains different medium for us to belong to which we are capable of, and I believe for the next decade, communication will create another medium to process. It will be more incredible than today.
Okay ma'am, thank you for your sharing your idea ma'am, and yeah, I appreciate your answer ma'am. So thank you for your idea and have a good day. So now, pupunta po tayo sa ibang lugar at maghanap po tayo ng ibang person na ating tatanungin kung ano ang kanilang idea or thoughts about sa assumptions for the next generations. So ngayon, nakarinig na po tayo ng ilang idea or thoughts tungkol sa positive assumptions for the next generations. So, ayun si Kuya, pwede natin siyang tanungin ulit. So, hi Kuya, good morning Kuya. How's your day?
Okay lang po, ma'am.
Meron po akong tanong sa iyo. So, my question for you is, tungkol sa cultural diversity dito sa Pilipinas, alam natin nakaganap na ang iba't ibang kaalaman at paniniwala. So, ano po yung masasabi mo tungkol dito para sa next generation?
Yung cultural diversity ay alam natin malaking tulong yan sa ating individual sapagkat natutunan natin at maunawaan natin ang kanilang kultura at nakikita po na mas maging mabuti ang ating pamumuhay sa next generation.
So now guys, nandito po tayo sa police station at maghahanap po tayo ng isang police officer na pwede natin tanungin tungkol sa kung ano ang kanyang idea or thoughts about sa positive assumptions for the next generation. So guys, meron po isang police officer dito na pwede natin tanungin. So, hi sir, good morning sir. How's your day?
Okay.
Pwede po ba tayong matanong sir?
Yes.
So my question for you sir is, in nowadays, we know that we are in the stage of rapid changes in economic growth. So what is your assumptions about this for the next generation?
I believe for the next generation will be more kasi ngayon pa lang nasa stage of progress na tayo dahil sa international agreement ng ating business industry. Promote job opportunities and new access and employment standard. Siguro mas magiging madali yung paghahanap ng mga trabaho natin.
Okay sir, thank you for your answer for my question and have a good day sir.
Okay.
Hi ma'am. generations?
So, my assumption in the next decade, maybe in our business industry creates more convenience in terms of a local brand or original product and to export internationally.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your answering my question and have a nice day.
As we navigate the complexity of the globalization, it is clear that its impact on cultural diversity, technology, communication, economic growth, and the environment is a double-edged sword. The next generation faces both opportunities and challenges in shaping a world that balances progress with preservation. Globalization that grows international exchange of goods, service, and capital and the increasing levels of integration that characterize economic activity. They may also refer on how globalization affects communication, technology, cultural diversity, economic growth, and environmental change, whereas we can witness its impact in the both sides. Assumption for the next generation in the contemporary world can also include negative aspects, although it is important to approach this assumption with caution and avoid generalization. Let's hear it from the different individuals about their negative assumption for the next generation.
Oh, there's one couple na nakita natin dito sa park. Tatanungin natin kung ano ang kanilang idea about sa negative assumptions for the next generation. Hi po, sir and ma'am. What's your name?
Bye.
Tayong matanong tungkol sa negative assumptions for the next generation. So my question for you, sir, is what is your perspective for the next decade in the next generations? We all know that technology has expanded in various aspects.
For me as a student and being here in the present generation, short spans are offered by because with the proliferation and smartphone, social media and instant gratification. Kaya nasasabi natin na susunod na generation ay magiging depende lamang sila sa teknolohiya at magkakaroon ng mababang level ng social interaction or socialization, hindi lumaganap na naman ang healthy lifestyle ng mga tao at paglaganap sa krimen online gamit ang teknolohiya tulad ng cybercrime scamming.
Okay, sir, cooperating me and thank you for your answering my question and have a good day. Ayun si Kuya. Kuya, meron akong tanong sa'yo. My question for you, Kuya, is how can you say the situation for the next generation when it comes communication and technology, it makes overall being?
For me, ma'am, it would be the dependency affect of technology. Communication social becomes sometimes assume the next generation will become a reliant on negative life of life. Na kung saan mas ginagamit natin ang teknolohiya sa pag-socialize ng kapwa. Kaya nawawala ang actual na interaction ng mga tao kapwa because they rely on social media. Dito masasabi ko rin na mas madami ang fake information and accurate knowledge na makukuha nila online. Salamat
Okay,
po.
sir. Thank you for answering my question, sir, and have a nice day. So guys, nandito po tayo sa farm at nandito po si Kuya. Tatanungin po natin siya kung ano ang kaniyang thoughts or idea about sa negative assumptions to the next generations. Magandang araw po sa iyo, Kuya. Pwede po ba kitang matanong, Kuya? Ang tanong ko sa iyo, Kuya, is since globalization is dominant nowadays and cultural diversity is in the halt of progress, so what can you say about it for the next generation?
I predict if globalization still has its consistent movement globally, I could say there would be a cultural erosion, changes of belief and practices that would tend everyone to change or erase their belief and perspective. Kasi mas tinatangkilik nila ang mga dayo kumpara sa sariling kultura. At dahil dyan, maaaring magdulot ng local culture erosion and conflict na kung saan lalabagin ng mga tao ang sariling kultura, kasanayan, paniniwala dahil sa pagpili nila sa mga dayong kultura.
So, maraming salamat po sir sa sagot mo sa tanong ko. Sir. Now guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa under construct Gaisano in Libais at maghanap po tayo ng isang construction worker na ating tatanungin tungkol sa negative assumptions to the next generation. Hi sir, good morning sir. How do you do sir?
It's okay, ma'am.
Pwede mo kita matanong sir?
Oh, pwede naman, ma'am.
My question for you sir is, since we witness economic growth and environmental changes, we can see that our economy experience and face various conditions about the increase and decrease of opportunities and resources. So, what is your assumptions about this for the next generation?
So for me, in regards of economic growth and environmental change, I could say that the various changes will occur in the next decade. Yes, I agree that there is a certain progress and development in our economic system. However, it also affects our local development. The business industry sector promotes international agreement trade between different countries and it affects our local business industry for being left behind in their process of endorsement, production at promotion. Masasabi ko na mas papahalaga ng mga tao ang foreign-made resources and products compare sa sariling brand ng ating bansa. Kaya yung local product natin ay may iwan sa kabilang banda, tataas ng tax, graphics, at isang business company at advance lamang ito sa firm at mataas ang complexity and demand kanilang business or company. That means there is more advantage or foreign business company than local company.
Okay, thank you for your answering my question first and have a nice day.
Addition in his perspective, it is more convenient in foreign business company kasi mas mataas yung demand ng kanilang products and they will earn more profit than a local product. So, addition in his perspective, it more convenient in the foreign business company kasi mataas yung demand ng kanilang products, they will earn more profit than local product. So, mas affected yung local businesses natin kasi alam naman natin na mas pipiliin ng mga consumers o buyer ang branded na products with a lower or affordable price which is developed and promote in international investors. So in short, our local business company will suffer inequality in the business growth. At the same time, our product will be left behind, so there is a big chance that we will still suffer the poverty.
And finally, we heard the different perspective and opinions from different participants in this video about their assumptions about globalization and how it will affect the next generation. So, as we heard and witnessed their words positively and negatively, we will have the bite to observe this for coming years. So, at this juncture, I just want to say thank you for your time on watching this experimental documentary shots. Once again, thank you for watching and supporting our experimental documentation. Thank you.